There you have it. The finished product. So everyone, installing the Home Assistant Fire tablet for my alarm panel. It used to be an alarm panel that goes right here. So I'm installing this, replacing this old panel that was right here with a new modern tablet, Home Assistant. You can just disarm the alarm as soon as you come to the door, disarm. And so we're doing some electrical work back here right now. So what I'm gonna be doing is tapping the power source from this junction box right here. The panel already comes with the right adapter. Let me show you guys what it comes with. It already comes with the pieces, AC converter right here. The power source is gonna run in here, attached to the back of that. So it's gonna be looking good, so we can get to work. And I'm gonna show you guys when it's all done. All right, let's go. So getting ready to finishing up the tablet mount here. Got all the wires wired up. I got the sign off right here. Just gonna control the exhaust fan, and another sign off here for the lights. That's gonna go in this bathroom right here. Need a little vanity for that. So all this is gonna be tucked in here, and this is gonna be right here. So I'll finish up everything and I'll show you guys in a little bit. And there you have it, the finished product. So it's automatically switch over to the alarm panel whenever it detects motion. So as you can see, oh, stepped on some locks, and I got my little magnetic key holder. So there you have it, the finished product. Let me step back so you guys can see what it fully looks like. There you have it, right there. And a little dashboard, digital dashboard. Let's see it. There you have it.